Nowadays, women don't buy expensive clothes, but they buy sandals that are far more expensive because women these days are obsessed with fancy and fashionable sandals. They were never this crazy about gold or silver. But do you know how sandals are made? If not, then come along with me. Let's get started without any further delay. To make sandals, the first step is to take the upper structure, which has already been prepared by women and sent here. Now, the upper structure is placed on an iron mold shaped like a foot and all its straps are securely fastened with gum. After fastening each strap one by one, it is sent forward to where the foot molds are placed. Inside the machine, each foot mold is attached one by one. Then, the worker's job is to set each foot mold and close the machine. Here, you can see the molds being lifted from both sides and the machine being shut. After that, the machine is cleaned where the molten plastic is to be poured. The area is thoroughly cleaned. Now, our hero, the molten plastic from which sandals are made, comes into play. Different fashionable sandals are prepared from this molten plastic. It is poured into the machine from one side. The upper structure has already been placed inside. Here, you can see the molten plastic being poured into each mold one by one. The amount of molten plastic poured depends on how many sandals you want to make. Let me tell you, the machine installed here produces 24 pairs of sandals at a time. One worker keeps pouring the molten plastic, while another lifts the iron upper part, places it over the molten plastic, and closes the machine. This process is repeated for all parts, and then the leftover gas from the machine is released into a large container. The machine is then lifted and brought back to its starting position. Here, you can see all the sandals starting to take shape, and within just 1 minute, all our sandals will be ready. I should mention that the sandals are not kept closed for more than a minute or a minute and a half to ensure the mold sets perfectly. Now comes the step of opening the molds. On one side, the workers start opening them, and here you can see the beautiful sandals ready and formed. All the sandals are taken out this way and left to cool for about 5 minutes. Our sisters, female workers, keep taking out the sandals one by one. Then, the male workers remove them from the iron molds and the sisters pair them up neatly before sending them forward. Now that the sandals are made, it's time for finishing. These workers' job is to trim any excess material from the upper part of the sandals. You can see the rotating blade. With its help, any extra material is cut off, giving the sandals a polished, finished look. Each sandal is trimmed one by one, and here, our beautiful sandals are fully ready. Any type of women's sandals is made this way. Here, you can see sandals of different colors, sizes, and designs prepared in the same manner. Finally, all the sandals are packed into bags and sent to you so you can enjoy them.